What up, good people? Today is 2 Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. Efficiency boosting tips for your vehicle. The first one is checking your tire pressure. So you want to check your tire pressure twice out of the month. So you want to check the first half of the month and the second half of the month to make sure that you at the correct PSI on your tires, because that will give you the best efficiency and the best MPG on your ride. So you don't want to underinflate or overinflate your tires. Go ahead and check your owner's manual and check the door plate. So it would let you know in the owner's manual and the door plate. The easiest way to check your door plate, because they'll let you know what PSI your tires should be. So some cars may be 35, 32, but yeah. Older cars back in the days did not have the PSI on the dash, so you had to get the PSI gauge to check your tires. Nowadays, guess what? You can just look on the dash and make sure you at the correct PSI. If you're not, you just go to your local Wawa or your local gas station, somewhere where it got air, and like, yo, I need air, or put air in your tires. The second thing is stick to a schedule. So you want to stick to a schedule, and what I mean by stick to a schedule, as in this is where you get your routine maintenance, your routine oil changes, and stuff like that, because this is where your car is gonna be staying in tip-top shape, and if you miss like an oil change or something like that, that's just like you missing your checkup on your body. You know what I'm saying? Because your car is needs a little bit of love too, because it need to replace that oil and make sure that you are getting the best efficiency out of your vehicle, because that oil starts slugging, you got problems, because you don't want those problems. So hey, take it from your boy Artofspeedd. Hey, I used to do it back in the days, because man, my Dodge Neon never got an oil change. I'm gonna be honest with you. Your headlights, make sure your headlights so you can see at night. So me personally, I don't get halogens. I get some LEDs, or I get some HIDs. So I know on both of my vehicles, I have HIDs on them, and I can see very good at nighttime. Them halogens, you're not getting the best visibility out of your vehicle. And if you something like your boy Artofspeedd, like driving at nighttime, and I need to see the road. I'm not gonna say it live, because if I can't see the road where I'm going, you know what I'm saying, your boy Artofspeedd might wind up in a ditch somewhere. I ain't trying to wind up in no ditch. So make sure you check the headlights on your vehicle. But if you're enjoying this video, go and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of the Artofspeedd family, go to the subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.